Welcome, welcome, welcome to ABCs of Digital Marketing. Today we're focusing on letter M. We'll dive into mobile marketing and marketing automation, two essential components that help you connect with your audience and streamline your marketing efforts. What is mobile marketing? Mobile marketing refers to the use of mobile devices, smartphones, and tablets to promote products or services. With the rise of mobile usage, mobile marketing has become a crucial part of digital marketing strategies. Mobile marketing can include SMS messages, mobile apps, social media ads, mobile optimized websites, and push notifications. It's about reaching customers where they are on their phones, whether they're browsing the web, using apps, or engaging on social media. Why is mobile marketing important? Wide reach. Almost everyone has a mobile device, making it a great opportunity to reach a broad audience. Instant communication. Mobile marketing allows for immediate communication, such as time-sensitive promotions, alerts, or personalized messages. Improved engagement. With push notifications, apps, or mobile-optimized sites, mobile marketing fosters higher engagement, encouraging users to interact more with your brand. Mobile marketing strategies, SMS, MMS marketing, sending text or multimedia messages directly to users' phones with promotions, updates, or reminders. Mobile ads, running ads on social media platforms, Google, or apps that are designed to be viewed or on mobile devices. Push notifications, sending messages or alerts to users who have installed your mobile app, keeping them engaged with your brand. Mobile optimized websites, ensuring that your website is responsive and easy to navigate on mobile devices, improving the user experience. Location-based marketing, using GPS technology to send targeted offers or messages to users based on location, such as nearby store promotions. What is marketing automation? Marketing automation involves using software to automate marketing tasks and processes such as sending emails, social media posting, and lead nurturing to save time and improve efficiency. Automation allows businesses to streamline repetitive marketing tasks, ensuring a consistent experience for customers while allowing the marketing team to focus on strategy and creativity. Popular marketing automation platforms include HubSpot, MailChimp, and Marketo. Why is marketing automation important? Efficiency. Automates repetitive tasks like email campaign, allowing marketers to focus on strategy and optimization. Personalization. Marketing automation allows businesses to create personalized content based on user behavior, preferences, and interactions, leading to a more tailored customer experience. Scalability. Automation helps businesses scale their marketing efforts without needing to increase resources, making it easier to manage large campaigns. Common marketing automation tactics. Email marketing, automating email sequencing to nurture leads, welcome new subscribers, and send personalized offers based on user behavior. Social media scheduling, using automation tools like Buffer or Hootsuite to schedule and manage social media posts across different platforms. Lead nurturing, automatically sending targeted content or offers to leads based on their interactions with your website or emails. Customer segmentation, using automation to segment your audience based on criteria like behavior, demographics, purchase history, ensuring you send relevant messages to each group. Drip campaigns, sending a series of pre-written emails or messages over time to guide prospects through the buyer's journey. How mobile marketing and marketing automation work together. Mobile marketing can benefit from marketing automation by automating SMS campaigns, push notifications, and mobile ads. Automation ensures timely, relevant messages reach customers without manual intervention. Marketing automation can help personalize mobile content and offers, such as sending customized mobile alerts or promotions based on user app usage or location. How to get started with mobile marketing and marketing automation. Develop a mobile strategy. Focus on making your website mobile friendly. Create a mobile app if relevant, and plan mobile ads or SMS campaigns. Leverage automation tools. Use automation platforms like MailChimp, HubSpot, or Hootsuite to automate your email marketing, social media posts, and lead nurturing efforts. Personalize your campaigns. Use data and behavior tracking to send personalized messages via mobile automation platforms, making the customer experience more relevant. Track and optimize. Continuously monitor your mobile marketing campaigns and automation workflows, making adjustments based on performance metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. The power of M in digital marketing. The letter M represents mobile marketing and marketing automation, two key strategies that help reach customers on the go and streamline your marketing efforts. Mobile marketing ensures you connect with your audience wherever they are, while marketing automation saves time, enhances personalization, and allows your marketing to scale effectively. By combining the power of both, you can create a seamless, effective digital marketing strategy. Keep sprouting.